Welcome to the Josh Wiley channel, where we're going to be showing off making firearm parts and modifications and gear reviews. If you're new to the channel, consider getting subscribed and be sure to click the bell icon to be alerted about all the new video uploads. You can also find us on Instagram and our website at www.watchjoshwiley.com. Orca Tactical makes bags for all of your range and outdoor needs. Range bags, backpacks, and other bags where the different uses are endless. Use discount code WILEY15 for 15% off your order at orcatacticalgear.com. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another how cheap video. If this is your first video to the channel, I have done a couple of how cheap videos where we go over a different firearm and find out how cheap can you actually build that one. This one is on the AR9. I have done one on a regular AR-15, a AR-10, and on a AR-15 chambered in .50 Beowulf. So today we've got the fourth one that I've done, and we're going on how cheap can you build a AR-9. Now in these videos, like this one has got a bunch of other stuff on it, we're going to be going over all of the pieces that you actually need to have a functioning rifle or pistol. This is a pistol, so all of the sights, optics, and like this pistol brace and stuff like that, we're not going to add all of that into the video because you don't necessarily need that for a functioning rifle. So first up, for the AR9, the buffer system, there's not a AR9 specific buffer system, so you can use any one you want. For a regular buffer system for the AR-15, you can find these on eBay, which is the whole kit, which comes with all the pieces you need, your buffer spring, the tube, lock nut and end plate, all that stuff. You can get it all in one kit, and you can get them for as cheap as $20. Next up, for the lower receiver, AR9 lower receiver, I found an AR9 online at Tennessee Arms, and you can get a stripped AR9 receiver from them for as little as $57. Now for the upper, you can get AR9 specific uppers, but you don't have to use them. You can use a regular AR-15 upper. You can get a regular AR-15 upper for AR9 build from Anderson, and you can get those as cheap as $50. And back down to the lower, I said you can get the stripped lower receiver. To get the lower parts kit, if you get a regular parts kit for a regular AR-15, you can do that. You just won't use all of the parts. But you can get that also from Anderson for as little as $50. And for the bolt carrier for the AR9, you have to get a specific AR9 bolt carrier. You can't use a regular AR-15 bolt carrier. I have found a AR9 bolt, I think, on Davidson Defense on their website, and they've got one for $90. Then moving on to the barrel, one of the cheapest AR9 barrels that I was able to find is one of the real short 4-inch barrels, and you can find that on KK Industries for as little as $55. Now moving on to a handguard, you can use any handguard for the AR-15. Doesn't matter what you get, and you can find those also on eBay, one of the cheap ones, for as little as $30. Then for your muzzle device to screw on the end of your barrel, be sure to get a 9mm muzzle device. You can get those in half 28 or half 36, I believe, and be sure to get whatever thread you've got for your barrel. You can get them differently, so make sure you get the correct one for whatever barrel you've got. But you can find those also on eBay for as little as $20. Dagger Defense offers affordable accessory options for your pistols and AR builds. Multiple lights for pistols and rifles, multiple color backup sights, and 45 flip-up sights, and a selection of multiple color red dot optics for your build. Check out the Dagger Defense website for the accessories that you need for your upcoming build at daggerdefense.com. So that's all of the really essential pieces that you need for an AR9 build. Like I said, you can do this in different configurations. With a longer barrel, you can have a full AR-15 or AR9 rifle, not a pistol. With a longer barrel, longer handguard, which will cost more. But for this video, we're doing how cheap can you build it, and that's all the pieces are the cheapest I could find in all of those areas. And doing it that way, all of those pieces add up to $377. So you can build a AR9 pistol build for as little as 377 bucks. So that's all for this How Cheap video. If this is your first time to the channel, be sure and consider getting subscribed and check out if you're interested on the other How Cheap videos that I've done. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you like this video and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. And something I mentioned in all of my How Cheap videos that I do, be sure and leave a comment down below if you found anything cheaper than what I mentioned. So anybody watching this trying to build their first AR9, trying to go the cheap route and see how cheap they can build one, be sure and leave that information down below so everybody can check it out. And you will be able to find a lot of the stuff like on sale around Christmas and stuff like that for cheaper. So if you wait until then, you will be able to build one of these for really, really cheap. But on a regular day, you can build an AR9 for about $350. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to get down in the comment section below. And be sure and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.